Here's the thing. Choosing the wrong hosting can make your website slow, unreliable, and prone to crashes, which is terrible for user experience and even worse for SEO. Whether you're running a personal blog, a business, or an e-commerce store, the right hosting directly impacts your site's speed, uptime, and security. Let's face it, web hosting can be confusing. Terms like 99.9% uptime, bandwidth limits, and CDN integration sound more like alien code than helpful advice. The wrong hosting can mean slow websites, frequent crashes, terrible SEO, and angry users who click away after 3 seconds. And let's be real, not all hosting is created equal. Here are some solutions and recommendations. 1. Understand the types of website hosting. Let's break it down with a sandwich analogy. Yes, we're going there. Shared hosting. Think of it like a buffet table. Everyone's using the same plate. Great for beginners. But if someone else's site goes viral, your site might crash along with it. VPS hosting, virtual private server. Like having your own lunchbox at the same table. More control, faster speeds. Slightly pricier, but worth it if you're growing. Cloud hosting. This is your Uber Eats of hosting, flexible, scalable, follows your appetite or traffic. Auto scales with demand pricing can be unpredictable. Dedicated hosting. This is like renting an entire restaurant. Full control, top security, max speed expensive, recommended for big businesses or huge e-commerce sites. Shared versus VPS versus cloud versus dedicated hosting. Which one fits you too? Match hosting to your website goals. Ask yourself, is this for a small blog? Go with shared hosting, running a growing online store. Choose VPS or cloud hosting. Expecting big traffic spikes? Cloud hosting is your best friend. Need top-notch performance and security? Go for dedicated hosting. Practical tip, match hosting. Type to your website purpose. 3. Check key features before you commit. Buying hosting without checking features is like booking a hotel with no beds or Wi-Fi. Look for 99.9% uptime guarantee. No one likes surprise downtime. Free SSL certificate shows your site is safe. SSD storage, lightning fast page loads. User-friendly control panel.